If you want to be a CNA, you're going to have to pass the CNA Skills Exam. Whether you're already enrolled in a program or just beginning to research what it takes to become a CNA, there's some things you'll want to know to prepare for this test. First, don't shoot yourself in the foot. Know where you're going, have the address, and know how long it takes to get to the location and precisely where you need to go once you reach the location. Know what time the exam starts. It sounds simple, but double check so you arrive on time. Plan extra time in case of traffic issues or trouble finding parking. Do your homework on these things beforehand so you're not scrambling and stressed from these outside pressures when you begin the exam. It's also critical that you know your state's requirements. Many states have unique quirks, so be sure when you study that you know the exact requirements for your state. Some states may require that certain individual skills are demonstrated by every candidate. You'll want to make extra certain you have those skills down pat on exam day. Depending on your state, you may also be required to have an actor play the role of a resident. Look into these requirements as well so there are no surprises as you perform your skills test. Make sure you're practicing the right skills and the right steps by contacting the appropriate testing provider. This could include Prometric, Pearson View, Headmaster, your individual nursing assistant program, or the state board. Make sure you have the correct list and then carefully study and practice the steps until you can do them without hesitation. Look like a CNA. Proper attire for the day should include a neat, clean uniform or scrubs. For footwear, have closed-toed, non-skid shoes. You'll also need a watch with a second hand. Keep long hair tied back and make sure your fingernails are short and manicured, and any jewelry is kept to a minimum. Not only should you look the part, but you don't want any of these items affecting your performance. Practice the right way. Flashcards are great to help you memorize what you're doing, but practice with fellow candidates so you get used to performing the skills, not just reciting them. Pay attention to the details. Nailing the steps are great, but you'll fail if you don't remember the finer points of skills such as patient's privacy, patient's rights, or safety. Always remember to wash your hands, address the resident, and close the curtains. Stay calm if you make a mistake. If you catch a mistake during a skill, don't panic. Explain to the proctor the specific mistake you made, and they will provide you instruction. You may be asked to pick up where you made the mistake and perform the skill correctly, or you may be asked to provide an explanation of the correct procedure. Collect yourself, remain confident, and continue. You don't need to be perfect during the entire exam, you just need to pass. We appreciate you watching and hope you learned some valuable lessons from these tips to help you succeed during your CNA Skills Exam. For more information on becoming a CNA, visit our website at cnafreetraining.com.